Hi, Jeff Smith here from MSC to talk about the top 5 reasons why Helix is your complete solution for high-end audio products. Number 1, new AMPLIFY amplifiers. The brand new AMPLIFY series of amplifiers from Helix is your high-performance traditional car audio amplifier at a value price. There are 6 different models in this family of amplifiers. You're going to start with your 4-channel that is available in 4204 direct, which means it has no internal processing. You're going to have your 204 crossover, which is going to be the exact same power, 100 watts by 4, with high pass and low pass crossovers for the internal amplifier channels. From there, we're going to go over to our 206, which is our 6-channel amplifier that is 100 watts by 6 at 4 ohms with no internal processing, no crossovers, no bass boost, nothing for pure audio output. Then we're going to go here to the 206 DSP, complete high quality Helix DSP that they've all been known for. Then we're going to round out the mono blocks of the AMPLIFY family. You have your 201 direct that's going to be a 750 watt at 1 ohm monoblock amplifier. Then you're going to have your 201 crossover that is going to add internal crossover and come with sub-level control for adjustable subwoofer dialing at the driver's seat for your bass needs. The entire family of products are available currently and shipping. This is AMPLIFY from Helix. Number 2, multi-channel amplifiers for all applications. Within the Helix family of amplifiers, you have multi-channel amplifiers that can be used for any application. These 8-channel, 12-channel, and 18-channel amplifiers can drive entire systems. All of them have the ability to drive mids and highs and subwoofers for complete system one amplifier designs. The 8-channel, the 12-channel, and the 18 can be used with the match harnessing system in order to integrate seamlessly into your vehicle. No matter the input source, high level, RCA, optical, or Bluetooth, you have the ability to integrate any additional source with any of these multi-channel amplifiers. So single box solutions are definitely an option with the multi-channel series of amplifiers from Helix. Number 3, Compose speakers. Compose from Helix, the entire speaker line designed to bring the most performance out from your Match or Helix amplifiers. They can be used with other brands of amplifiers, but when combined with Helix and Match amplifiers, this is where the magic happens. The entire Compose series is built to fit into your vehicle exactly like the vehicle needs. We're using a flex mount adapter to bolt all of these drivers into a stock location or a universal mount that may come with some of the speakers. These drivers are available in sizes from 20mm tweeters, 25mm tweeters, 80 and 50 mil widebands, 4-inch mid-ranges and coaxials, all the way up to 6.5, 5 1/4, and 8-inch drivers in the entire series. Helix Compose is meant to give you the most direct and dynamic sound quality from a speaker line combined with the amplifiers for the best high-performance audio system. Number 4, subwoofers and enclosures. Helix is more than just a DSP amplifier company. We have an entire line of subwoofers to fit any application for your bass needs in your vehicle. From the IKS shallow series of subwoofers that is available in 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch single or dual voice coil for applications that need the minimum amount of physical space in a vehicle, we have our IKS series. Your normal size full subwoofer is going to be the IKW series, available in 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch single and dual voice coil. Both of these work in sealed or vented enclosures, whatever you may need. Then we're going to get into the IQ series of woofers, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch as well, dual 2 ohm. These drivers have an adjustable weight system here in the center that allows you to add different weighted disc in order to adjust the parameters of the speaker to tune the speaker to the physical enclosure that you have for the absolutely best performance from your subwoofer in that application. Helix also offers an entire family of preloaded subwoofer enclosures featuring our IKS and IKW subwoofers. These enclosures are available in 8-inch and 10-inch vented enclosures. These enclosures are designed for the best optimal performance from these subwoofers, whether it be a spare tire well application or a normal trunk or hatchback application. These subwoofers are going to impress any listener looking for a bass upgrade using the Helix subwoofer system. Number 5, OEM integration. Helix is known for high-end aftermarket audio products, but this line is designed for OEM integration as well. By using the Compose flex mount system to integrate universal speakers into vehicle-specific applications for multiple different vehicles, using the match harnessing system for vehicle-specific applications to connect into your vehicle without modifying your factory harness. Then the amplifiers themselves, along with the combination of harnesses, can adapt into that vehicle and provide high performance audio and integrate into your factory signal without damaging or modifications to your vehicle. The entire Helix line is available for high-end OEM integration and high performance aftermarket car audio. And there you have it, the top 5 reasons why Helix is the complete line of high performance car audio products. For more information, you can find us at msc-america.com. Once again, I'm Jeff Smith. Know before you buy.